Yeah, what's up YouTube? In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to load your P5.JS sketches into Uniserver and have them running and using Notepad++ as a text editor. So hopefully this video helps you. If you do like it, please leave a like and comment on the video as well. Thank you so much. Okay, let's do this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome, go to google.com, type in Notepad++, click on download, then go to the very top one, then click download. You'll see it start downloading. This is your text editor so that you can write your source code. Alright, so once you first open it, you'll have a change log file. Just close it and you'll have a new file. We're using Notepad later on. So then just go back to Google and then look up Uniserver and then the uniform server at this address. Click on that. Click on download now for Windows. Download the latest version. And once this downloads, you need to put the file at the root of your hard drive. So it's just started downloading now. So it's downloaded, so just click show in folder and you'll want to cut it and then go to your main C drive and then paste it in C drive. It has to be at the root of your hard drive. Once you got that, just open it, click run and extract to C drive. And then you should have a folder called Uniserver. So if you open that up, you'll have your Uni controller here. So go back to your browser, close that window. The next thing you want to do is go to P5.JS. So just search for that, click on this link, click download, and then I downloaded the P5.JS complete library. So you'll see it downloading now. So you'll want to extract the files. And there they are there. So you want to grab this extracted folder, so cut it, and then go to Uniserver in your www and you want to paste it right there. So now if we close all this, so now you should have Uniserver in your C drive, and now open up for your SQL, just type root, click OK. And allow access like your firewalls. click Start Apache. And you should get this page. Now go to www and then edit your index file. Grab your index.php, click edit with Notepad, and you'll see all this. Control A will select all, then just delete it and save it. Now you're going to need some basic HTML, so I'm just going to throw in my basic HTML. I'll just give it a title. I'll call it YouTube. Save. And now if I open up Chrome and type in 127.0.0.1, well actually localhost, I'll type that. Oh, here's my blank page, which I've just written here. You'll notice title YouTube. So up here it's got YouTube. So here is where we're going to put our P5.JS file. So your P5 folder is just there. So to add that, in your head thing, you're just going to need to go script, and then you need a closing tag for your script, and inside here you'll need source equals, and now because you're going from the root you need 2 full stops, and the folder is called P5 folder, and then the file inside that folder is p5.min.js. So you got to write p5.min.js, and I'll just duplicate that line because the next file you want to add, it's going to be in the add-ons file. This is sound. So add-ons p5.sound.js. And now in the body, you want to be able to do your first sketch. So back in my folder, I'm gonna make a new folder here. I'm gonna call it YouTube. That's what I'm gonna call it. So here for the source, it'd have to be in the P5 folder .YouTube, and I'll call the first one example.js, as that's going to be the file running. So I'm going to save all that, and over here if you refresh it, you'll notice nothing's changed yet. So I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to save it in the P5, in the YouTube. I'm going to call it example.js. Actually, youtube.js is what I did. I'm pretty sure that's what I did. Yeah, youtube.js. So here is your JS file. So whatever I type now should actually work. I'm just going to try and draw a canvas. Create canvas. 1000 by 1000 and function draw background. I'll do silver. I'll save that. Now I'll go back to here and I'll refresh it. Shit. I didn't have that as YouTube. Sorry. And there's the canvas there. So in my source code, my only mistake is I didn't have that as YouTube. I had it as the example. But that is pretty much how you load JS into Uniserver on Windows. So hopefully that helped you. And if you do like this video, can you please leave a like and leave a comment. And comment on other things that you'd like to see as well. Thanks for watching.